Awin Affiliate Marketing Tutorial. How to make money with Awin Affiliate Marketing. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will be showing you a tutorial on how you will be able to use Awin, and I will also discuss on different ways on how you can promote your different products that you are going to promote with Awin. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically you're going to promote a specific product going to be provided to you by Awin, and the more sales or the more traffic you provide for Awin, the more money or commission you yourself will be able to receive. Now, as you can see right now, I am currently in Awin's platform, and there's a lot of information over here that you can check out. If you would like to check out more information about them, you can explore them. But as you can see here, you have this part over here on their website. It explains that choose the Awin plan that's right for your business. So whether you're a small business ready to launch an affiliate marketing program and reach new customers, or global enterprise looking to enhance your online marketing, we have an affiliate plan to suit your every need. So this is what we're going to explore today. So you're going to simply click on Explore Awin's plan. And after that, you will be able to see over here in this page everything about their affiliate program. As you can see here, as we scroll down, you will be able to see that they will have a marketing leading technology. You should be firmly in control of your marketing goals. Awin's platform provides intelligent partner discovery. It's an award-winning platform, so you don't have to worry about their eligibility or whether they are trusted. And they have customer-centered support, so if you need some support or if you're having some difficulties, Awin will be there to help you. And you will be able to have a sustainable growth with Awin, as you can see. And right now, they have 1 million active partners, which makes it think that there is a lot of people trusting Awin, so why won't you? As you can see also, they have generated 14 billion euro in revenue from their clients in just 2022, and they have over or at least 200 million sales generated in 2022 as well. And there's a lot of different plans over here. As you can see, scrolling down, you will be able to see information about their different plans. You have your Awin access over here, although you have to pay for it to access their features and use their platform. You will be able to earn back that way. You will be able to grow and earn back the money that you will be spending to start with Awin. As you can see here with all of this information over here. For example, we have the Awin access. You have free use of the platform for the first month, low risk with short 3-month initial term, and you will benefit from unlimited access over 100 vetted partners and many more. For the Awin Accelerate, you're going to have to request the pricing for this one. You can self-manage your platform or leverage expert account management and many more. You can increase report flexibility. You have a speed up everyday affiliate tasks with automation via APIs. You have a reward partner with adaptable commission setting tools and many more. So basically, the plan in Awin is that if you have your online business, if you have, for example, Shopify, you will be able to plan or partner with Awin, and you will be able to promote their products on your online store, whether you're a big Shopify seller or a small-time Shopify seller. You will be able to find partners that you will promote, and they will also help you improve and grow as well. Now, to start with this, you're going to have to verify and create your account. Of course, as you can see, this is the sign up page. You're going to have to enter your company name, let's say Coffee World, then tax residency over here, let's say Australia. Then you're going to put in this other information that are required, of course. And you're going to have to be very careful with the information that you're going to put in, because as you can see, they take fraud and compliance very seriously. So if you're planning to create an account just to explore, I suggest that you don't do that, because if you put in a random account and random names, Awin will probably or most likely ban your account. So if you're very set into Awin and you are very much considering registering into Awin, you're going to have to put in your real information. And aside from the account setup, there will be some promotional type and promotional space. In the promotional type, this will basically ask how you will be able to promote in different types of product, whether it's social media, wherein you post in YouTube or even TikTok, as you can see here. And there's a lot of social media platforms out there that you could absolutely promote a specific product, of course, and you're simply going to put it that on the promotional type area. For the promotional space, this is more on where you will be promoting it, whether it's Shopify or whatever e-commerce platform your online store or online business has. You can also use YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook as an option over here. And in the verification, of course, you will need to be verified before you will be able to be accepted in Awin, of course, because they will need to verify every users to ensure the safety of their partners as well, the partners that you will be promoting. That is a very important factor. Now, assuming you have already been accepted in Awin, there are several ways on how you will be able to promote it. As you can see here, bloggers, influencers, voucher codes are people who are often promoting Awin. So you could take advantage of social media right now, such as YouTube, where you could post videos promoting that specific product. They don't need to upload long videos such as what you're seeing right now on our screen. You could upload videos through shorts. That is also an option. Similarly with TikTok over here, where you could make small amount of videos that you can promote a specific product, and through that you will be able to possibly earn some sales and be successful at promoting a specific product in Awin. Now, if you don't know what tool to use, TikTok and YouTube usually have or has their own video editing platforms. But if you don't like using their own editor, you could use Canva over here, which would allow you to create and edit social media posts, as you can see, from Instagram to Facebook to WhatsApp to YouTube. Anything related to social media, you will be able to create it in Canva, so you can take advantage of it as well. There is a video editor in Canva, so you could utilize that. And aside from that, after making sure that you are verified in Awin, like I said, there is some pricing that you would need to pay for it. But depending on your budget, look for the budget or the amount or the specific plan that fits your budget. And you have to trust the process. Although you have to pay for it for the meantime, eventually you will be able to get back money that you will be able to spend. So basically, you're going to invest into Awin for the first month or the first few months until you are able to earn that money back and make it or have it as a consistent monthly, and you will be able to eventually earn a lot of money with Awin. And so that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.